To start the assembly of the Keyence camcorder, we're going to begin by putting together the stand for the print head. First, attach the pole's base to the standing platform. From the bottom of the standing platform, tighten one large screw into the middle and 4 screws into the surrounding holes. Insert 2 screws into the base, but do not tighten them all the way yet. Next, insert the standing pole into the base. Then proceed to finish tightening the base's screws. Slide the dock station base onto the pole and tighten its screws to secure them to the pole. Next, you will take the black printing station base and attach it to the back of the print head holder. From the black base side, insert 2 screws into the large holes to secure the 2 pieces together. Then connect the base to the printing station pole and secure them together with one of the plastic knobs as shown. Next, slide on the piece that will connect the 2 poles. On this piece, its threaded holes will have a gold and a black side. Secure this on by inserting knobs into the side that is black. To attach the docking station holder, connect it with screws to the base we slid on earlier. The docking station will attach in the same fashion. To attach the discard bottle, first set it onto the rungs of the docking station holder, then raise it to the docking station and screw it into the bottom. An easy way to put on the case of the printhead is to insert the printhead into the bottom of the case. Attach the handles by screwing them onto the printer through the holes shown. The same process is used for the other handle. After opening the back of the printer, unscrew one side of the white bracket. Insert the power cord, then tighten the bracket back on. Now, plug in the power cord. To connect the interface, plug in the DVI cable and tighten its screws. From the docking station, connect the black pin into the back of the printer and tighten it. Connect the color cord by inserting a screw into the loop at the cord's end and screwing it tight against the outside of the printer. To connect the scanner to the printer, first remove the appropriate screw. Wrap the bare wire around the screw and then tighten the wire down against the port. Here is a list where each of the 4 wires connect. Optionally, you can use the wire organizer to contain any of the long cords from the printer. Finally, replace the electrical case on the back of the printer. After opening the front of the printer, unscrew the metal strip cage towards the top. Insert the computer block and connect the cord to the socket on the left. Next, replace the metal cage. To begin the flush of solvent into the printer's tubes, start by pouring around 100 cc of solvent into the bottle shown. Take the section of the printer with 4 visible donut-shaped connectors and place a cup underneath it. Proceed to take the bottle of solvent and connect it to each of the 4 connectors. Squeeze the bottle to inject solvent into each tube. Continue squeezing until solvent begins to overflow the tube. Next, unscrew the metal plate and attach the section to the bottom left of the printer. Make sure to tighten the 2 pieces together. Grab a cartridge of ink and solvent and pull out each cartridge slot. Place the ink cartridge on the left and the solvent cartridge on the right. After placing the cartridges, push the slots back into the printer. To begin setting up the nozzle in the printhead, begin by taking off the printhead case. Next, take off the locking wire and remove both the metal dummy nozzle and the O-ring. Take off the O-ring and position it on the back of the white nozzle. Replace them back into the printhead. Make sure the nozzle is placed on flat. Next, replace the locking wire to secure the nozzle. Put the printhead in the docking station and plug in the Keyence. On the interface, press Menu, Troubleshooting, then Axis Adjustment. Press Start. In the printhead, make sure the nozzle is shooting straight into the gutter at the bottom. If the nozzle is shooting out solvent but missing the gutter, screw and unscrew the 4 black screws above the nozzle accordingly to angle the nozzle left, right, forwards, or backwards. Align the solvent to shoot into the gutter. When finished, press End. Finally, screw on the printhead case and place the printhead into the docking station. Allowing the Keyence to begin its smart setup will end the installation process.